Hello everyone, hold your ponytail right on the top section and have a very beautiful hairpin attached from left to right and secure in all opposite direction. Now have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of the tail and bend the tail down and have it attach the last loop of the rubber band and push it even more downwards by having a hairpin. Split your bunch into two and have a rubber band attach top part and have a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and scrunch both of them together into a lump and have a rubber band attached securing it. And with the remaining tail, have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and make a loop in the middle one, drop the tail into it and make the entire tail come around the first lump we had and split the tail to have secured with the rubber band at the bottom and stuff it inside underneath the bun we just now created. And have a very beautiful hairpin from your collection and drop it inside. Tie your hair in the middle and secure it to the top by having a 3-in-1 hair clutcher. Then twist the middle one and have the second clutcher and have the right section into the first clutcher and the left one to the third clutcher. Then with the remaining hair comb it and have a rubber band attach top middle part of it and stuff the tail into the first loop of the rubber band and have it secured with a big black hairpin and stuff it inside the bun. Tie your hair in the middle and drop it inside going for a twisted band of the remaining section of the hair, split them into two and have the right section to the left and braid it and roll the braid and make it to the right section top and have it secured with a hairpin. Then drop in your lovely hairpin collection. Tie your hair in the middle and drop it inside going towards the twisted band of the remaining section of the hair, make a ponytail and split them into two and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of the tail and make a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it and have both of them combined together with a common rubber band onto the first one we had. Then have them go to the top and secure it there by having a very big black hairpin of your choice. If you want, you can decorate it even more further by choosing your lovely hairpin collection and having it even more design. There are two hairstyles in this. Tie your hair in the middle and drop it inside going for a twisted band and have a very beautiful hair clutcher attached on the rubber band, or make a ponytail with the remaining section of the hair and have a rubber band attach the top middle part and stretch the middle one as a bun and move the entire tail to the top and have it secured with that hair clutcher. And with the remaining tail, have a rubber band attached to the top part of it and bend it down and push it even more downwards by having a big black hairpin, then stretch the bun for volume. Out of your gorgeous hair, create a lovely bunch and have the last loop of the rubber band create a lump and have a rubber band attached to the bottom middle part of the tail and have the middle one into a loop and drop the tail into it and make the entire loop come around the rubber band and secure it underneath with a hairpin. Once again, go for a beautiful bunch out of your lovely hair and with the last loop of the rubber band create a lump and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of the tail and bring the entire tail go to the top and stretch the middle one as a bun. Then have a rubber band attached to the top middle part of the tail and stuff it inside. Then have a very beautiful hair clutcher clutching it in position. Make a lovely bunch but have the rubber band attached a little bit down and have the tail attached to the last loop of the rubber band and make a gap in your hair and have the entire loop along with the tail stuffed inside it and hold it and have a very beautiful hairband attached to it and also complete the design by having a hair clutcher. Once again, go for a lovely ponytail and have a toothed hair clutcher and twist your entire tail on the one tooth of the clutcher and secure it on right to left. Make a ponytail and have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of it, then with the last loop of the rubber band stuff the tail by bending it over and stuff it inside the middle one and stretch it forming a bun and have it to the place to the top and have a toothed hair clutcher. Twist your gorgeous hair from behind using your index finger and make it as a hair roll and stuff the tips underneath the roll we just now created and choose a very beautiful hair clutcher and attach it to the top of it, securing it in place. Create a gap behind your ponytail and drop your entire tail into it and make it come down. Then close the gap by combing it. Then have a rubber band attach the bottom middle part of the tail. Then stuff the tail into the middle one and have it as a bun. Then move the entire bun to the top and secure it there in place by having a very beautiful hair clutcher and stretch the bun for volume. Split your lovely hair into two sections at the back and twist them across each other, making it as thick a braid. Then after that, complete the braid with the rubber band and have it swirl in a clockwise manner and secure the tip underneath the bun we created. Then have a very beautiful bun clutcher and have it around the bun we had. Thank you everyone for watching this video.